All right, welcome to another vlog. Go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't yet. Back at Rock Canyon, a little bit of rain today, a little bit of lightning, but haven't heard one yet, so we're gonna keep it going. All right, well, not everything goes as planned. We are looking at a full-on river coming down Squaw Peak Trail. Damn it. Yeah, feet are soaked because I've just been walking up the guts here, and again, you know, river. It's a river. Fuck. This isn't gonna be runnable for a long time, dude. A long time. I mean, I'm only about 2 miles in, so maybe half a mile or so past the fork, and I would say 60 to 70% of it was a river. And I mean, past this, I would assume 80 to 90% river. So yeah, we're gonna turn it around and find something else to do. Whoop-de-dee. All right, rain is picking up a little bit. I'm going up on my second ascent here. Scooted down after reaching the snow on the way to Rock Canyon Campground, and now I'm just hiking back up that way, almost at the trail fork. And yeah, it's drizzling a little harder, a little harder. Ain't no thing, no. I need to start training in some weather because San Juan Solstice is probably gonna offer some up. Make for a fun day out there and an even fun, more fun video. Ugh. All right, turned into a real drizzler out here. Got 9 miles, 3,000 feet of vert, a little under 2.5 hours. So all in all, pretty good workout. And yeah, gonna try and get some time on feet in tomorrow. No specific pace, just want to be out there. So I don't know, hopefully this clears up. And if it doesn't, I guess it makes for a better video for you.